This is a Koyo or Paega at the Lulu bar in Surfers Paradise. It's a counterweight. Here it is. Oh wow.
2. Cancel the signal. 2. 2. Cancel the signal. 2.
That's it. Glass.
Arrived first floor. Going down.
Let's have a look on top of it. BF7 plus relay. Oh wow. It's a big chassis. I don't know why this floor's locked, because you need to walk up here to get to the bar, but if you want to use the stairs at least. See if it stops here, or it's going to go straight to 2. Good. Fermator doors.
Ground.
Build quality is amazing. These are decent lifts actually, I find.
Arrived ground floor. Going up.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.